The seer is the soul, and the soul, by birthright, can see God, can see Krishna. And that seeing will be accomplished. This is the seer. We are the seer, the eyes of the soul. The soul is also seeing. The seer is the Atma, not the body. So the Atma can see the original source of the Atma, can see his maker, his darshan, Bhagavan darshan. And this is what all great devotees eventually do. They have darshan with the Lord. And this is the purpose of seeing. The purpose of the eyes is to see the beautiful form of the Lord. And the purpose of the tongue is to speak the glories of the Lord and chant His sweet names. And the purpose of the ears is to hear the descriptions of the Lord and hear the beautiful Harikatha of the Lord and His devotees and His Braja Lila and Gaur Lila. The purpose of the body is to be engaged in the service of the Lord. And this way, by trying to see the Lord in everything and seeing everything in the Lord, we will eventually see ourselves with the Lord in the spiritual world.